Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting beginner's guide on using the Poly.AI app. So this is a fantastic tool that leverages artificial intelligence to make creating professional design quick and easy. So the first thing you need to do here is of course to open the app, which is this one. And as you can see here, let's talk about where to find Poly.AI. So you can download it from either the App Store or the Google Play by searching for Poly.AI. And as you can see here, you just need to log into your account. And now that you're logged in, let's get familiar with the main dashboard. So you can see here, you will be able to see here different sections like templates. So here is the perfect for quick start projects, and then the My Projects where all your saved work will go. So here guys, so what we need to do here is we are going to create. So to start creating, you just need to tap on create new. You will have two options, either start from a blank canvas or pick a template. For beginners, I recommend starting with a template to get familiar with the features. So let's select a simple design and open it in the editor. So here guys, with your template open, you are ready to explore the editing tools. You can now tap on any element such as text or an image. Here, I am now deciding what character I am going to make. So here, I want so let's scroll. How about this dating show? I'm going to choose this dating show for this tutorial. And here guys, you can now edit your character. Here you can add, depending on you, your avatar, the name, and then the gender. So for text guys, you can adjust the font size and color or apply effects. And for images, you have options like resizing, cropping, and even color filters. Poly.AI also includes an intuitive drag and drop system, making it easier to move elements around as you like. So as you can see here, I am now making my character, which is an AI generate. So right after you're done, you just need to tap on that button, the generate, which is below. And take note guys that one of the Poly's AI standout features is its collection of AI powered tools. So for example, you can use the text to image feature to generate an image based on your description. For example, so that one is this one. I am going to prompt a girl with glasses holding a book. You can also type like sunset beach, and then AI will create it for you. And then another handy feature is the background removal, which lets you instantly remove the background of an image. Great for making clean, isolated design. So there is also smart resize, allowing you to adjust your design to fit various social media dimensions. Here guys, after that one, you just need to wait for a little because now your AI is now generating. So Poly.AI also provides a huge library of elements, including icons, shapes, and images. So you can add these elements to protect your project by selecting them from the menu. Here, after this one guys, you just need to wait for a minute. And once you add an element, you can tap on it to access resizing and color options. So this may take a longer while guys, but you just need to wait in. So as you can see here, this is now the result of what you have done a while ago. And then here, you can see here, you can choose your character depending on your liking. So for me, I'm gonna pick this one. And here, once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save and export. And here, tap the save button to store the project within the app so you can return to it later, or tap the export to save your design to your device. Here, the Poly.AI lets you export in various formats. So you can now generate this one. So for example, so that is add your name, the gender, and then here is the intro. So depending on you, so this is just an example guys. For example, so that is here. So you need to all answer this one. So here's a few beginner tips to make the most of Poly.AI guys. First is experiment with the templates. So they are a great way to practice And then the second one is try out the AI art features for their unique designs. And then finally, guys, remember to save your project frequently so you don't lose any progress. Here, guys, you just need to fill in all this field, guys. So choose depending on you what kind of character you are making. So right now is the love philosophy. Depending on you, for example, that one is this one, and then here is the relationship. For example, that is an ideal partner. So you just need to tap on that one, and then here is you can choose the tags for like 6. So you have a limitations of 6 tags, guys, depending on you. So here, guys, after you choose your 6 tags, you just need to tap on the save button, guys, which is the very important part, guys, to always save your character. So here I am now choosing my tags. So this is the most powerful features, guys, of the Poly.AI. So as you can see here, I am now choosing my tag. So the last one is this one. So here, before we wrap up, we can also set here that first templates to make designing, and then the second part is experiment with the AI art. And then after that one is you just need to add some background, guys, to make this work so that this will be confirmed, guys. As you can see here, they will also teach you on how to use this Poly.AI. So here, before you create, guys, before you create the chat, you need to complete all the fields here, guys. For example, the intro, you need to add some intro, guys. So you can see here, I am typing, so this is just an example, guys, but for you guys, you need to have a creative intro and also a greeting. So as you can see here, this will cover all the basic you need to know from navigating the interface to making your own designs. So after that one is you also need to add a greeting, but right now I'm just gonna write the word again, the greeting, for us to complete this step. So as you can see here, we can now create and chat, and now we have our chat, guys. So that's your full beginner's guide to using Poly.AI. So with these tips, you're all set to create your own beautiful professional designs. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. And if you have any questions about Poly.AI, don't be shy to drop them in the comments below. And then thanks for watching and happy designing.